hi guys, so for today's video, we will be doing another Japan haul items. So ito siya, this box, and this is from Dear Sumi-san, one of the seller na binibilang ko talaga ng items, legit Japan items. So yun, assorted items pa din, pero more on stationery items ang binibili ko sa kanya, and sometimes nagpi-pre-order din ako sa kanya. And we're gonna open it na. So, let's open it na. Let's remove this one. And here it is. Konti lang naman to guys. Natin is itong mga freebies niya. So, ang dami na naman niya guys. So, ayan. Assorted items. Next will be ito. Ang cute nito guys. Mga plush charms. Cutie. Baby sisiu. So, si Cinnamoroll, I think it's mocha, tama ba? And yung chick ni Rilakkuma. And, ano to? Chikip. Next is ito. Nagpa-Halloween trick or treat kasi siya nung nag-live selling siya. And, next up is, puro na itong mga memo pads, guys. As usual. So, all of these are memo pads. May mga big, may mga small. Ito pala, sticker. Ebi sticker. Currently, I'm obsessed with Ebi. And, mga yan. Memo pads. This one, super cute itong obake na to, guys. We also have Rilakkuma. And, syempre, mawawala ba ang mochi pan? Ayan. Mochi pan, guys. And also, another mochi pan. Syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang Sanrio, guys. Happy Danboy. Baby sisiu again. Okay. And, ayan guys. Maybe I'll be doing another video showing all of these memo pads. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching.